In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to how to handle questions where you've got specific positions. So for example, we've got 5 women and 3 men, and we want a woman to sit first and a man to sit last. So picture this, 5 women, 3 men walking into a room. 5 women could have sat in the first chair, and so with positions, 2 things. I like to do them first and then worry about all the leftovers. And also for those specific positions, there's no factorial. And so how many women could have sat in that first chair? It's just 5 women could have sat there. Then let me look at the last chair. Who and how many people could have sat there? There were 3 men that could have sat last, and so it's just the number 3. And so out of the 8 people, 2 chairs have been used up. That means there's 6 people left that are happy to sit anywhere in any kind of order. So it's 6 factorial, and then I always put it over the total, 8 factorial, and that gives me my final answer. So let me give you another example. I want a man to sit first and I want a man to sit last, and so I would say how many men could sit in that first chair. There were 3 men. Then I'm not going to do the next number. I'm going to jump to the end because I like to do the specifics first. So how many men could sit last? Now you're tempted to think 3 because there's 3 men, but just picture it. So 3 men could sit first, and let's say Tom sits in the first chair. Then there's only 2 men left that could occupy the last chair. And so again, the 2 chairs have been used up out of the 8 people who walked into the room. That means there's 6 people sitting anywhere over the grand total, 8 factorial, and that will leave you with your answer, which you can plug in your calculator, of 3/28. So I hope that's helpful when you've got specific questions. Look out for those 2 tips and new answers to get going with them. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.